by my parents here.
Hi, I'm Stacy.
I'm Ted.
And for this week's video, they're going to be picking out my outfit for a week. So we kind of alternated between which parent chose my outfit. Basically every morning they came in my room, picked out some clothes for me to wear for the day, and I had to wear that the entire day. So we got some pretty interesting outfits coming up for you guys. So hope you guys enjoy this video, and without further ado, let's get started. Are you ready to dress me?
I'm looking for your dog.
Peanut!
Where's Peanut?
She's so slow.
Could you be any slower?
Yonder. Hey, cutie. Jump.
Okay. What are we gonna wear?
I don't know. Okay, so today's activities, it's pretty casual. I'm getting lunch with Bryn, and then I'm taking her to the car dealership, and then we might go to Target after.
Okay.
So my shirts are over there, and then over here I have like my shorts and leggings, and then my jeans below. I don't know what you want to pick up first.
I'm thinking shorts.
It's a little tight.
A little tight, girl.
I have a lot of jeans. My jeans are in there too. I might migrate them up top because that's where my uniform was.
I'm tired. Oh, no uniform anymore. That's right. I'm thinking these.
I like those too. Okay, and what are we wearing with it?
I don't know.
Hey, Peanut.
Your mother's old. It hurts to get up. These are where your shirts are?
Yeah, they're all on the bottom.
That's cute.
I've actually never worn that.
Hey, means today is the day. That's cute.
Cool. Are you gonna accessorize, or is what I'm wearing okay? I just have this gold necklace, 2 bracelets here, and then these hoops that I wore for prom. Do I need a belt or just like that?
I think a belt might be too much, actually.
Yeah. What about shoes?
I like these shoes, but I'm thinking maybe a longer necklace for that. You could probably keep that necklace that you have on and wear this also.
I mean, I wouldn't choose it, but it's your outfit.
Well, I'm thinking it might be cute. And you already have the bracelet on.
I'm already wearing a bracelet.
Yeah.
But I could take it off if you don't want.
No, I like that bracelet because I gave it to you. Maybe changing it. Where are your earrings?
They're here.
Ooh. Why don't we change earrings? Yeah, forget the necklace. Let's do the cute earrings instead.
Should I take my necklace off?
No.
Or keep...
Keep the
Okay.
Keep the necklace and wear these earrings. And yeah, forget this necklace.
Okay.
Yeah, I like that better.
Sounds good. Is that it?
I think so.
Okay. I wouldn't choose it for myself, but I like it. It's cute.
Yeah. And keep the necklace on that you have.
Okay. Day 1 complete. I will wear this all day. Okay, so this is the finished outfit on. Honestly, I kind of like it. I'm not sure if I would choose this for myself, like I said, but it looks pretty cute. I think the only thing I'm not a huge fan of is the earrings. I think there's a little bit much with this, but I mean, it still works. But yeah, also, I think I would have chosen Converse with this, but I do really like these shoes, so that's cool. I feel like now I should probably show her what the finished outfit looks like. Thoughts?
I think it looks great. You don't
Yeah.
like it.
I don't love it, but it's okay.
It's cute. I like the earrings better than I had picked out that necklace before.
Yeah, I don't usually accessorize this much, but it works. Day 1 outfit. Hey guys, so today is day 2 of this whole my parents pick my outfit thing. And today my dad is actually picking my outfit. So definitely a little bit more nervous also because I'm filming today and I will be wearing this outfit while I film. So it's going to be on camera. I like to look cute when I film, so hopefully he picks a good outfit, but I guess we'll see on that. So I'm going to go get him and let's get ready. Dad! I'm here. Are you ready?
Okay, what are we doing?
You're picking out my outfit.
I'm picking out your outfit?
Yeah. This closet is where, to your left, is where I have all my shirts. And then in my dresser, I have like shorts and jeans and stuff.
You should wear a jacket instead.
It's a little warm.
Oh, come on, a sweater with it.
I'm also filming today, so I want to look cute.
Pressure's on. I have a hard enough time picking out stuff for myself to wear. This could take all day.
Just pick something and then work with it.
I don't remember stuff that you wore.
You don't remember anything I've ever worn.
Didn't you wear this yesterday?
Yes. Wait, no, 2 days ago.
There you go. See? I like the color of this, but I'm not a big fan of the low cutness of it. Or you can wear something like this and with something underneath of it, like a, I don't know.
Like underneath of it.
Yeah.
Like what?
I don't know, like what do you,
I don't usually wear anything underneath of it. But I could.
wow.
It's a dress. What do you mean wear something underneath of it? Like
Well,
a shirt?
it's like see-through.
Oh, no, that's the back. I could wear that.
Alright, yeah, that's like...
Kind of the easy way out because it's a
Yeah.
dress, but
Uh-huh.
we could do that. We still have to accessorize. I pick shoes.
Not gonna work.
Earrings and bracelets and necklaces are over here. But I'm also already wearing some bracelets. See, I'm wearing these bracelets. And then I have this necklace. The coin.
Okay. I think they go well with that dress. What's your
Okay.
want? So then we just need earrings.
It's gold, it'll match.
I like these.
Okay, so we got, never worn these before actually. Little heart earrings. And then shoes. Shoes are in my closet. Those are cute.
Yeah, but do they? I don't know if they
They don't not match. They're blue.
got a little blue in there, right?
Yeah.
Does it matter?
Sure. It's a little fancy, but I could do that.
The other option is flip-flops.
Or sneakers.
So, what do you call these?
Like platform shoes.
Yeah. Those are too fancy?
No, I mean, I can wear those. They make me taller. I like being taller.
Yeah, I like these more.
Okay.
We
We went
did it.
really simple today, but okay.
Hey, have fun.
Thank you. Okay, guys, so this is the outfit my dad picked out. I do really like this dress. I just wouldn't wear it with platforms just because it's kind of short. I feel like I need to wear like high tops or sneakers or something. Also, definitely a little bit more dressy than I would normally wear for like filming a video, especially, you know, with these shoes. I don't actually normally wear shoes when I film a video just because it's not really necessary. But overall, I'd say it's pretty good. I think I do like it better than yesterday's outfit actually, so there's that. Yeah. Bryn, what do you think of my outfit? Bryn, what do you think?
Did Dad pick out the shoes too?
Yeah. Do you like the shoes? I feel like they're like too much.
They don't match.
Yeah, well, they don't not match. So clearly, day 2 is not over yet. I'm still wearing this outfit. Kind of thriving, actually. I like feeling like all dressed up and nice on a regular day. But anyway, tomorrow my mom is not available to pick out my outfit in the morning, so she's gonna do it right now. So we'll just lay out the outfit tonight, and then I'll put it on tomorrow and wear it tomorrow.
Hi!
Are you ready to dress me?
I'm ready to dress you. I dress myself first.
I know, cute.
My cash.
Okay,
Post-call
let-
loungewear. Thursday all day, baby.
so tomorrow I'm filming, so I want to look cute because I'm gonna be wearing that when I film. And then I just have like I'm vlogging and I have a couple of appointments, but like mostly
Okay.
filming is what I'm dressing for.
So the other day I dressed you in shorts. I'm not doing shorts.
Yeah, and Dad dressed me in a dress. What do you think?
You know, he said to me, a 50-year-old man tried to dress an 18-year-old girl. So I'm going with jeans. So I'm gonna go easy. It's just white jeans.
Okay, white jeans.
Did you create these at the bottom yourself?
No, it actually came like that.
Oh, cool.
This top's a little booby.
This one?
No, the one you hung up.
And
You chose red last time. Do you like
I
red?
didn't. This is orange.
Kind of.
This to me is orange. I wouldn't call it red. Maybe I'll go with green this time.
I like green. I used to have no green, and now I have a bunch of green over the past like 2 months.
It is kind of fancy, but you are filming. So
Yeah. But I also have a dentist appointment.
Let's go with this.
So green. And then they're doing accessories now.
Cool.
Oh, that's cool. Yellow,
Same jewelry. Same like
gold.
Yeah.
And then shoes.
And then shoes.
There's some on my door, and then the rest is on a shelf. Dad almost picked this out today. You guys are thinking alike. So yeah, these shoes, earrings, green shirt, and then white jeans. Okay, awesome. Thank you. Good morning, guys. So it is day 3 of this whole my parents pick my outfit challenge. I'm pretty much all ready to start filming, except I need to get dressed. And I gotta use that outfit my mom picked for me yesterday. I feel like you guys saw yesterday. This is what we're working with. It's a little bit more than I would normally do for a filming day and like some errands. But I don't know, I guess it'll work. So yeah, let's put that on. Okay, well, this is it. what do you guys think? I do like this outfit, but like I said, it's just not something I would wear for like this specific occasion where it's just like kind of casual, and this is something I would like wear out to dinner or something like that. But yeah, definitely still pretty cute. I think my mom's doing a really good job actually. So update on this outfit after wearing it pretty much all day. This shirt is so annoying. It keeps like falling off, and like this is like untying itself, so it's like too big. Jeans, it's like 90 degrees outside, so it's a little bit warm. And my shoes keep like not falling off, but like I feel like they're like kind of hard to walk in because there's no strap on the back.
Did you wear this for graduation?
Yeah, these are shoes I wore for graduation, and I struggled to walk in them. Oh well, they are cute though. But yeah, this is probably the least practical outfit I've worn all week so far. So there's that. But it's still cute. It's cute. It's just, it's not an all-day outfit. It's like a going out outfit, like dinner. That's kind of it. Today is the 4th day of this challenge, and my dad will once again be picking out my outfit. Last time he really took the safe route with the dress, but this time I'm gonna make it a little bit more of a challenge for him because it's not as much of like a fancy day. Like I don't want to dress up like before. I'm filming one thing and then just kind of like working the rest of the day, so I'm trying to keep it like a pretty chill outfit. So this time, no dresses allowed.
Give me a description of what's going on.
For today?
Yes.
Well, you're picking out my outfit.
Okay.
And then it's like, it's pretty casual because I'm just filming this thing with you and then just working on my computer the rest of the day. So no dresses today.
Okay. I had to think about it, so I think I have.
Okay. So what are you doing first? Shirt?
So we're picking out your outfit?
Yeah.
Okay, so, like jeans, like, to wear with this, like maybe, do you have a pair of white jeans?
I do.
But they're
dirty. I wore them yesterday.
Yeah.
It's also kind of hot though. So I have like white shorts.
Well, that's the other thing. Like I know it's hot. Just looks comfy on a hot day.
Yeah, I like that shirt.
Cool. All right, let's try to work with that.
Yellow's good.
All right.
Happy color.
Happy color. Gold is happy.
Okay.
All right, and then jeans
it's
are
the
right
bottom
here.
drawer on the right.
Or shorts.
Yeah.
You know. Okay. So jeans are for fall. Let's go with shorts.
Okay.
Okay.
Those shorts. And then
What are we doing?
shoes and accessories.
Shoes. This is not how I pick out my clothes for the day.
How do you pick out your clothes?
I just grab stuff.
What do you mean?
I don't put 1/10 of the thought into it that I'm putting in for you.
Oh,
Just want to say.
thanks.
All right. So let me just see what's going on. All right.
Got
So we
white
got
shorts.
that. Maybe some. I think the high tops are better.
Okay.
So let's do that. And then we still have these, and then we need to put some jewelry.
Not too much though, because I'm already wearing like the bracelet I always wear in the ring and this necklace.
Okay.
So maybe just like some simple earrings,
Kind of go with your
These
other
are
stuff
cute.
you're wearing.
tiny hoops.
That'll do it.
That it?
Yep.
Okay. I'm gonna go put it on and then I'll show you. Okay guys, here is today's outfit. Honestly, I would say this is one of my favorites. Like I would definitely wear this on a day like today. Genuinely have like no notes on this. Like I would pick out everything I'm wearing right now. Dad, what do you think of my outfit?
It's lovely.
You like it better than your last one?
I put more thought into
Yeah.
it. So,
By default, it's better.
by default, it would be better, yes.
Success. I think it's one of my favorites for the week.
Awesome. I won.
You're winning.
Winning.
Hello everyone, so today is officially the last day of this My Parents Pick My Outfit challenge. It's a little different than other days because I really want to just be really casual. I feel like what we've really struggled with the most is getting an outfit that's appropriate for what I'm doing. But luckily my dad is actually the one picking out today's outfit because my mom is not available today. And of course he did pretty well yesterday, so I'm feeling pretty good about this. So yeah, let's get ready. Final day.
Final day.
It's a little different because it's like I'm being really casual today.
Okay.
I'm not filming. Well, I am filming, but I'm not going to be in the shot, so I don't need to be like film ready. And then I'm just running a lot of errands, so I want to be like comfortable.
Okay. It's gonna be hotter than Hades.
Yeah, it's going to be like 95 degrees.
Yeah. So comfortable, not filming. All right. So we're looking at like shorts or something.
Mhm.
And a top. Okay, let's start here.
Okay.
You know how hard this is?
Yeah, I do it every day. Are you looking for like t-shirts?
I don't know what I'm looking for.
Okay.
Honestly.
Because I keep all my t-shirts on like that
On
side.
this side.
Yeah.
Like my brain's just not in a fashion mode. I'm gonna make this harder.
I think you're putting too much thought into this.
Well, yeah, I mean, I could just grab a t-shirt and a pair of shorts and we could call it a day. I got a funny feeling that you want more than that.
I mean, not necessarily.
T-shirt.
Okay. Got it.
And a pair of shorts. I think white. I don't know why.
You already chose white
I
shorts
know.
for the
I wear the same clothes all the time. It's easy.
day.
There you go. Look, it kind of matches. I'm good with either black or white. It's gonna be a hot day, but so that's why I'm leaning towards white. But
I don't think that makes a difference.
yeah, I don't know. Hey.
You could choose white, just not the same white shorts you've been choosing.
I only chose the. I don't even know which one I chose.
You chose the bottom ones.
Did I?
Yeah. No outfit repeats.
Oh, the rules. Darn it. Okay. Well, let's just go with this then. It's
Okay.
different. And then,
Shoes.
what do you? Yeah, shoes, and then we have, your,
Accessories, if you think
what are you
that's...
wearing? Are you wearing?
I'm just wearing what I normally wear.
What do you normally wear? Okay.
I also have some shoes over here, if that's what you want to go for.
Yeah, Converse.
Okay.
All the way. And your normal jewelry, like, I'm not
I'm
sure.
already wearing hoops.
Yeah, so I don't think, you're not going to change anything.
Mm-mm.
So you're good. You're done.
Awesome.
It's a,
You've already peaked.
yes.
Okay.
Our day was over. So you're good?
Yep.
Awesome.
Thank you.
All right. Love you. Have a good day.
Bye. Guys, okay, so I kind of forgot why I haven't worn these shorts in a while, and they just like, I don't know, they have the weirdest fit to them, like ever since I washed them for the first time, like they just started looking really straight. I don't know, not very flattering. Also, I feel like this shirt isn't very flattering either. Yeah, honestly not a fan of this outfit. I would say this is my least favorite outfit. Not his fault though, I mean. Like, if these clothes were a little bit better fitting, it would be a good outfit. It's just not that cute on me right now. But anyway, I'll get over it. I'll wear it for the rest of the day. It might feel a little bit awkward, but it's not that bad. Like, I can definitely wear this for a day. But since this is the last day of my video, I will be dressing myself for the first time in a week tomorrow. So I really hope you guys enjoyed seeing my parents dress me for a week. Definitely an interesting experience. Got some pretty interesting outfits that I probably wouldn't wear again, but they weren't that bad. I mean, I definitely think they did better than what I expected them to do. Let me know in the comments down below which outfit was your favorite. Like I said, my favorite was day 4 on Thursday, but there were definitely other days that had their strong points. So yeah, let me know which one was your favorite. Hope you guys enjoyed that video. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below. I post new videos every single Saturday. I also have an Instagram and a Twitter, both at @Ella_Elbells. So go ahead and follow me both of those, and I will see you guys soon. Bye!